A foul smell in your refrigerator is more than just unpleasant. It can indicate bacterial growth or spoiled food. Studies show that 70% of fridge odors come from lingering bacteria and food residues. Common culprits include expired dairy, rotting vegetables, and meat juices. Ignoring these odors may contaminate fresh food. The first step is identifying the source, then exploring natural solutions to neutralize odors without harsh chemicals. Online searches reveal 3 powerhouse ingredients: baking soda, lemon, and vinegar. Research from the Journal of Environmental Health confirms baking soda absorbs 60% of odor-causing molecules within 8 hours. Lemons contain citric acid, which breaks down bacteria, while vinegar's acetic acid eliminates mold. These cost under $5 combined and are safer than commercial cleaners, which often contain synthetic fragrances masking odors temporarily. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, neutralizes odors by balancing pH levels. Its porous structure traps sulfur compounds from rotten eggs or fish. A 2021 study in Applied Microbiology found it reduces Escherichia coli by 50% on surfaces. For fridges, place an open box on the middle shelf. Replace monthly. Alternatively, sprinkle it on shelves before wiping. It's non-abrasive and safe for all surfaces. Lemons offer antibacterial and deodorizing benefits. Their limonene compound dissolves grease, while the acidic pH, 2.0 to 2.5, kills odor-causing microbes. A 2020 food chemistry study showed lemon juice reduces salmonella by 90% in 10 minutes. Slice a lemon, place it on a dish in the fridge, or mix juice with water to wipe shelves. Replace slices every 3 days for continuous freshness. White vinegar 5% acetic acid eradicates mold and dissolves organic residues. The USDA states vinegar kills 82% of mold spores. Its low pH disrupts bacterial cell membranes. Pour vinegar into a bowl or mix with water, 1-to-1 ratio, to clean shelves. For stubborn smells, add lemon peels to the vinegar. This enhances fragrance and boosts antimicrobial effects by 30%, per Journal of Food Protection. Maximize results by using all 3 ingredients together. Start by removing all food. Wipe shelves with vinegar solution. Then sprinkle baking soda and rinse. Place lemon slices and the vinegar bowl inside. Close the fridge for 24 hours. This trio tackles odors at the molecular level. Baking soda absorbs, lemon disinfects, and vinegar breaks down residues. Ideal for weekly maintenance. After 24 hours, the fridge should smell neutral. Research shows this method reduces volatile organic compounds, VOCs, by 85%. Check for lingering smells near rubber seals or drawers. These areas may need extra vinegar wiping. If odors persist, reactivate baking soda by stirring it. Success hinges on proper ingredient placement and fridge organization to avoid cross-contamination. Prevent future odors by replacing baking soda monthly and lemon weekly. Store food in airtight containers, especially fish and cheeses. Clean spills immediately. Sugars and proteins breed bacteria fast. A 2022 study in home hygiene recommends deep cleaning fridges every 3 months with vinegar to prevent biofilm formation. Use calendar reminders or smart fridge alerts to track maintenance. This method saves $50 plus annually compared to commercial deodorizers. Baking soda costs $0.50 per box, lemons $0.30 each, and vinegar $2 per gallon. It's also zero waste. Used vinegar can clean drains, and lemon scraps compost well. The EPA highlights vinegar as a top eco-friendly cleaner, reducing plastic waste from spray bottles. Sustainable choices keep your fridge and planet healthy. With consistent use, your fridge will stay odor-free without chemicals. Natural deodorizers also prevent fridge taste in sensitive foods like milk or butter. A 2023 Consumer Reports survey found 89% of users preferred this method for its simplicity and effectiveness. Share your success in the comments and subscribe for more science-backed home solutions.